Learn how to make border and trim for your home in any design. Wakey, wakey, eggs and bacon. Let's do some art. Ready or not, here I come. Here I come. So I am creating borders for my little boutique kitchen, and I am creating them out of foam board and making them very whimsical and just experimenting with different shapes as well as painting them. And so I made a few mistakes. I had a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoy this, and I hope that it encourages you to try your own projects and to utilize things that are easy to come by and that don't cost a lot of money and can really enhance a beautiful room or kitchen just like mine. Start with this, then do this, end up with these. So this is kind of where I'm at right now, and what I am realizing that I did wrong is I created kind of a left piece, right piece, so I ended up with like 3 left-hand sides. So the simple solution is to cut that down, and so it will just all kind of flow. Now cover your pieces with a half and half mixture of half Elmer's glue, half spackle. Brush it on, let it dry, and paint. This will give it a nice, sturdy finish. Then paint. Ooh-wee, so pretty already. Okay. Let me just say that I screwed up a little bit. This is what happens when you create art, and it's all part of the process. And so I don't worry about this stuff, but it will be a little awkward. And paint there. So I was thinking last night and this morning, kind of mowing it over in my head as to whether or not these should be white with black accoutrement, but I'm gonna leave them for pieces of it, wash and some of the, and hopefully that will do the trick, because having them just jet black up there, they kind of disappear in the shadows, and I do want you to see the little, architectural shapes and designs of the whole thing, and you can't see it when it's jet black and it's kind of dark in a corner. How I fixed it, and then of course the section over here that is not done yet, that's be done properly. I think I might do those first, because then I could see what I like and then do these ones. Okay. I loved how it turned out, but it was lacking a little pizzazz, and when the lights were off, you couldn't even see them. So I added a little whitewash, and it really picked up the designs of the border. And keep in mind, these are not done yet. Did you see the eyeball in my flower? I got it from Monsterpalooza. I added a stream of lights behind the border to add a little drama. I could not have predicted that it would leave a pink glow since the walls are cream. Then I added a few rhinestone embellishments. Now I adhered these borders with hot glue, and they will be easy to remove someday when I move by simply using an X-Acto knife. And the great thing is if there's any residue, no one will see it because it's up so high. I love how the designs leave shadows on the ceiling. Waking up to this made me so happy. It's the little things in life, you know. Bonus zip file project. Curtain rods cut to size. Black velvet. I have a sewing machine, but the glue gun is faster. You'll need 4 large hooks. I didn't bother with the hem, I simply cut it to the length I needed. Now things on the refrigerator are concealed. Thanks for watching, doll.